guys, what's up? It is Maros from TapRex, and today we're going to make another video. So today we'll be looking at 5 useful and productive apps for your daily life. So without any further ado, starting on, the first app on our list is TinyScanner. So this is a very good app if you want to convert your daily notes and date sheets to PDF files and transport over to other devices such as computers and tablets. So basically you just need to tap the camera icon and it will take you into the photo mode, and then you can take the photo of your notes by tapping this. After that, as you can see, you can resize the picture as you want to. Like if I want to fit the equation part in here, you click on the tick mark, and when you have ticked the mark, you can also change the color of how white or black you want it, or you can just revert it back to its original black and white color, or its colored colorful. Okay, so this is how this app basically works. And if you just press on the tick, then you can save your document to your computer or you can slash a drive. Like I want to name this test ticket and just share it. But you will need the pro version if you want to share it directly to Dropbox and those other sites. But you can save it to the gallery for free, and it is saved. So this is basically how this app works. So the next app on our list is rather a mobile activity based app, and it is e.t.c File Explorer. It basically lets you take complete control of the device. Like you can check your logs, you can also edit notes, you can clean your junk files from your device. You can also cast your screen to other devices without any other softwares like Share Miracle. You can also send files through Bluetooth, or if you don't have Bluetooth, you can also use the e.t.c File Explorer app if the other person or the device contains it. You can also manage your apps, images, and music. You can also tweak around with your internal storage by going into folders like I have made this one, and user data, the Android, where all of your Android data is stored. You can also go to your downloads, and you can also, if you want to move anything, you can just click on that, and you have a different options like send, hide, Chromecast, move to, copy to, etc. And it makes your work easier, and it makes your life easier to get along with your phone. Other things that it provides is like provides a news feed about your activity on your tablet, like 1 minute ago what I did, and other things. You can also scan for other hidden or junk files that are secretly taking up storage place on your device. So it really helps a lot and gives you a whole new control over your tablet or your phone. So coming at number 4, we have the Creator Studio, the YouTube Creator Studio as you say it. Basically this app lets you control all of your YouTube channel just on your Android device. You can edit thumbnails, like if I click on this video and click on the pencil icon, I get an option to download the thumbnail, edit the thumbnail, change the description, change the title. I can also go to advanced settings to change the categories, license, rights and ownership, and etc. And basically this app lets you control your YouTube channel, cooperate with your viewers. Like I have my comments here, I can reply to them directly without logging onto my YouTube channel on my computer. You can also view your videos like this. You can also see your playlist, how many playlists you have created. You can also view your comments from a different tab if you don't want it on the home screen. You can also view your analytics like I have right here. You can also discover, you can also see your audience. You can also see the interactive content that your audience saw, and you can also manage your views on the playlist. You can also change the settings a bit and other things like that. And basically this app lets you again control the whole YouTube channel on the go. You can reply, you can edit thumbnails, description, titles. The only thing that you can't do is upload it, and you can upload it through the YouTube app. So this app just covers up your YouTube channel if you're going somewhere or you're traveling. So be sure to check this app if you are. So finally coming to the end, the last app on our list is Google Keep, and many of you should have pre-installed it on your devices. Like Google Pixel 2 has it, and some other devices have it pre-installed like AT&T mobile phones and tablets. So basically this is a note app from Google, and it is, by my thinking and by my opinion, the best app available on the Play Store or the App Store to take your notes and manage your curriculars and setting reminders. So basically you can do 4 things. You can either write groceries like listed items that you can check or cut. Secondly, you can draw with your hand if you want to, like I have written here. And thirdly, you can also speak to write. Okay, so basically this app lets you take control of your notes and reminders easily, and it reminds you quickly. So let's say, take example like if I want to have some groceries, so I can write the title groceries, and then I can start to list items like sugar and vinegar, bread, etc. So this was basically example. You can also change the color of your notes. Like if I want it to be yellow, I can change it to yellow, and just then you know to save. And when you go to the grocery store, you just click on the grocery icon. If you have bought the sugar, check it. Vinegar bought, check it. Bread, check it. So basically this this shows you another era of taking notes, and you can also have it by your hand if you want to, like this, and then just save it to your notes. And the orders the notes are arranged in is very good, and I like it. And you can also change it if you want it in a regular order, and you can also spread it across the page. So if I had to choose one of these apps for productivity from all of these, I would definitely choose this app because this really helps you in your daily life. So be sure to install it. So this was all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you really enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you loved the video, please be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next time. Bye bye.